Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. I hope you all are doing great. Let us read something interesting today. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. The name of today's wonderful story is The Snake and the Man. Now get ready and read aloud with me. There was a kind man who found a sick snake and decided to help it get better. He took care of the snake, giving it food and making sure it was okay. One day, when the snake was all better, it bit the man. The man, surprised and hurt, asked the snake, "Why did you do that when I helped you?" The snake replied, "I am a snake, and that's what snakes do." So, the story teaches us that sometimes, even if we are really kind to someone, we need to be careful. It's like being aware of how people really are inside, just like the snake being a snake. Moral of the story is be careful who you trust. Some may not change their ways even when you are kind to them. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And please come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.